Okay, off to Smith Brothers, lovely local timber merchant, for some more timber for another project. Yeah, unfortunately, not enough reclaimed salvage type pallet wood for this one, so new stuff it is. Which is a bit of a pain, but hey ho. Jesus, hot. Whew. Wrong way. Wrong way again. That's better. Johnny's got wood. Again. Thank you very much. Friendly people. Friendly. Excellent. Safety first. Right, could you, I've kind of forgotten measurements which I took the other day, memory's faded and all that. 3, you know what I'm on about then. 3 foot to the top, but I need you to basically hold Zora up to the sink with kind of her waist, I'd say her waist at the top of the worktop, the sink. And just kind of a rough guess where her feet are. I just measure from the floor up to where her feet are. I think I know it, but I need to make sure. And thank you, dokie. Alright, right. Bye. 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 Somewhere this thing is completely out of square. I'll make it work somehow. So I guess there's two kinds of people when it comes to making these kind of things. Not making, using these type of things. One person is the one who goes onto the internet and pays £100 for one. The other is the person who goes, let's spend a net. Why would I spend £100, or near enough 100 or whatever, on something like that when you can make it for £6? Yeah, that's me. £100 on one of those. No, you're right. Pigeons are at it again, non-stop. Under the neighbour's solar panels. Didn't think about that one. Wait, chair. Tudor black oak. Tudor. 400 years old. Incredible.
We're doing the washing up.
I'm just going to keep turning around now, but you know.
We're doing the washing up.
Well,